Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to create form on Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed with managing event registrations, collecting customer feedback, or processing team submissions, then you're in the right place. Creating forms on Monday.com can significantly streamline your workflow by allowing you to gather crucial information directly into your boards. This seamless integration forms a bridge between your data and projects, making it easier than ever to keep everything organized and on track. Let's dive right in. To get started, you need to navigate to the Monday.com homepage. This is the central hub where all your project management begins. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so. Once you're on the homepage, you are at the heart of Monday.com. It's where your productivity journey kicks off. Now, let's focus on creating your form. Look to the left side of your screen, next to your main workspace name. Here, you'll find a plus icon. This small but mighty icon is your entry point to creating new items within Monday.com, including the forms we'll be working on today. When you click on this icon, it opens the door to numerous organizational possibilities. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear. This menu lists various options you can add to your workspace. From this list, select the Form option. By choosing this, you step into the realm of form creation, where you can begin designing a tool tailored precisely to the information you need to collect. Once you've selected Form, you will be redirected to a new page dedicated to editing your form. But before you start adding questions and customizing fields, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace. You are now in the editor mode, meaning every change you make here will directly affect what your form fillers see on their end. To start editing, click on Edit Form. This is your creative space, where the magic of form creation happens. Here you can choose the type of questions you want to include. Whether it's open-ended questions, multiple choice options, or simple yes-no queries, the choice is yours. Moreover, you can arrange these questions to flow logically, making the form filling process as smooth as possible for your respondents. Remember, a thoughtfully designed form not only makes it easier for people to provide the information you need, but also significantly improves the quality and consistency of the data you collect. Now that you've tailored your form to meet your precise needs, it's time to share it with the world. Look for the Share Form button. This is your key to distribution. Clicking this button gives you access to a link that can be easily shared with anyone you want to fill out your form. You can send this link via email, embed it into a website, or even share it across various social media platforms, depending on what best suits your needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a form on Monday.com, edited it to match your specific requirements, and are now ready to share it with your audience. But before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to ensure your form is as effective as possible. Always preview your form before sharing it. This ensures everything appears as intended and provides you the opportunity to catch any mistakes or make last-minute adjustments. Consider the user experience. Make sure your questions are clear and concise, and ensure the form isn't too lengthy. A positive experience increases the likelihood of form completion. Lastly, test your form before sending it out into the world. Fill it out yourself, or ask a team member to do so. This can help you identify any issues from a user's perspective. That wraps up our tutorial on how to create a form on Monday.com. With your new form ready to go, you're well on your way to gathering valuable data that can help propel your projects forward. Remember, the key to a successful form is making it clear, concise, and user-friendly. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to create form on Monday.com. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.